Beth Karas and Drew Findlay. Hey, Beth, tell us about Pat Young on the stand and how she was taking a lot of these tough questions, basically throwing her son under the bus.
Well, she held herself together. She did not get emotional. Some of the other family members were emotional at certain times, talking about, learning about the murder and Jason's reaction to it. She was pretty composed. But it seemed that she was a little annoyed at some of the questions. I mean, she did not want to concede that it was domestic violence when Jason held down his former fiancée in a Texas hotel room and actually wrestled with her for 20 minutes to get the engagement ring back from her and left marks on her and scared the daylights out of her as she broke off the engagement after that. She totally downplayed that initially. Well, he held her hands while he took the ring off, is what she said initially. And then Howard Cummings said, wait a minute, you heard her testimony. Didn't that sound like domestic violence? And then you just played the part where she hesitated, and then she said yes. I mean, she just didn't want to admit that. I mean, she would return gifts to Linda and Meredith Fisher.
But
that
why?
They were sending to Cassidy before Meredith had.
She talked. Wait. She talked a little bit about that. But why this fight with the Fishers when they're sending gifts? Did she have something against them?
Yes, I think she did. I think she knew that Jason didn't get along with his mother-in-law, and so she probably harbored the same resentment. Not that she necessarily had reason to. Maybe she felt that they wanted to take Cassidy away. Cassidy's living with them at the time, or with Jason. This is before Jason gave custody to Meredith. And so they would send gifts to her at times, and she admitted sending wrapped, unopened gifts back. And when Howard Cummings said, well, why did you do that? I didn't think it was fair that they would spend money on her when they weren't having visitation. It didn't really, I didn't understand it, but that was the best explanation she could come